So as part of March Book Madness, we're going to read Zonia's Rainforest. And it is by Juana Martinez Neal. Zonia lives with those she loves in the rainforest, where it is always green and full of life. Every morning the rainforest calls to Zonia. Every morning, Zonia answers. In Zonia's rainforest, green and full of life, she visits old friends and meets new ones. Good morning, she says, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. She stops to talk with some chatty new neighbors. Welcome, I live next door, Zonia sings. She says hello to her most playful friend. You are my favorite, Zonia whispers. If she is lucky, her fastest friend will invite her for a short ride through the thicket. We are mighty, Zonia says, for that is what she feels in her heart. Zonia sees a colorful couple swim by. How is the water today? She asks with a smile. She congratulates mamas with their new babies. I can't wait for you to meet my baby brother. I love him so much. Zonia loves playing hide and seek. 5, 6, 7, 8, she counts. Who's playing hide and seek with her? Some friends help Zonia see the world in new ways. And Zonia knows just who to visit when she wants to be quiet and still. The turtles or tortoises. After visiting all of her friends, Zonia is ready to go home. She can't wait to see her mama and baby brother again. On her way home, Zonia comes across something she has not seen before. Frightened, she runs the rest of the way home. What is she seeing? Looks like a bunch of tree stumps and things that aren't so green. Mama, look, Zonia says and opens her hands. The forest needs help. It is speaking to you, said Zonia's mama. Then I will answer, says Zonia, as I always do. We all must answer. The end. So, in the back it has a little bit more about Zonia and her people, and it has a few facts about tropical forest and the Amazon basin. So, it says the Amazon rainforest is the largest intact tropical forest in the world and lies within 8 different South American countries. Altogether, the Amazon basin is home to about 16% of the world's forest cover, just over half the world's primary tropical forest, and about 50% of all land life. The trees in tropical forests absorb and store carbon dioxide, which helps stabilize climates locally and globally. These carbon sinks help take up excess carbon dioxide created by the use of fossil fuels, thereby helping to mitigate the efforts of global climate change. Amazon forested countries lost an average of 8.6 million acres, or 13,500 square miles, of forest cover every year between 2010 and 2019. So, and it has in the back some of her friends like the blue morpho butterfly, the two-toed sloth, we saw the jaguar, Amazon river dolphin, red-tailed boa constrictor, all sorts of things. We got to learn a lot about the rainforest. All right, I hope you like that one, and make sure to check out some of the other March Madness books. Bye.